Welcome to this brief tutorial on setting up your ePortfolio or your showcase in MyeCoach. Once you've logged into MyeCoach, you'll go ahead and click on Home and see a recent activities stream. Next, you'll go to My Community and check out your team, which is the Sanford College of Education. If you are not located in the Sanford College of Education, please contact your lead certificated eCoach, Dr. Cynthia Sistek Chandler, cchandler@nu.edu. If you've set up your profile, you will be listed in this player section. And you hover over, you can see the other students who are also in this cohort. Next, you'll click on Reading Specialization Portfolio Directions. Each tab needs to be titled with a standard. This is an example of the Advanced Reading Literacy ePortfolio Directions. You can see that each reading standard is listed as we hover over each of these tabs. If I wanted to clone this and find a template just like this, I would click on Clone This, which actually creates a copy. And that copy is going to be located in your locker under My Projects. So here's a clone of the Advanced Reading Literacies. You can see that all of the contents came over and all of the verbiage came over as well. One of the things that you would want to do if you decide to clone rather than make your own ePortfolio template is you would go in and you would edit, clicking on the gray edit button, and look at the artifact suggestions as well as samples of reflective summary. And you would just go ahead and eliminate all this text and replace it with your own text. This is also an example of embedding a video, and this is a video iframe code that I swiped from YouTube. More about that later. So that's how you clone an account. And I can also, in my toolkit, create my own website. And basically that's what the ePortfolio is you're creating a new website. So I go to Toolkit, I go to Website Builder, I click on the teal words that say Create New. I conceptualize what my project is going to be called. I add a catchy title, and that catchy title is going to be Masters of Advanced Teaching Practices by Cynthia Chandler. Can type in an essential question, which is actually a subtitle. And this could be my philosophy or any of the other prompts that you'll receive from your ATP 600 class. Click on Save. One thing you always have to remember is that these gray buttons are here for editing and saving. So what has happened is that I created a project, which is actually a web page that says Preview Project here, and it's created my own URL. So far, I don't have much built yet. Let me go back in to my eCoach and go back to my locker and look at my projects. And here's my project that I can go back in and edit at any time. Now you add your tabs by clicking on the content section, which is number 2, step 2, and I'm going to add a new page. And when you add a new page, you create a category, and it could be ATP 600. The page title is, it might be the same. Or it might be the mentor. And now I've created a tab, but you have to remember to click on the Save button. So now I'm going to go ahead and just start copying my, building additional tabs. I'm going to add a new page, clicking on the gray button, and now I can either select from ATP or I can add a new category called Standard 1. And you can have a brief description of what Standard 1 is. You can copy and paste some text in using the text editor, or I can actually upload a file. And I go ahead and choose the file. And click on Open. And this is directions on creating a ePortfolio. You always have to entitle or write a title for the file properties to be recognized. Now I click on Upload, and now if you see the teal words, that is a file that has been uploaded. You also want to put reflection. You would go ahead and type that in, or you can copy and paste from Microsoft Word. Always remember to click on the Save button. And I can continue this process by clicking on Contents, clicking on Add New Page, add new category, which would be Standard 2, and a brief description. So that simply is a quick overview on creating your ePortfolio using the Universal Builder or the Project Builder in MyeCoach. You conceptualize, you add the contents, and then you can customize by adding the theme. All of these different themes are used for templates. And I'm going to click on this bubble one. I can add an image and use a lot of customization features using the customization section. Well, this concludes the brief video, and once again, if you have questions, please contact chandler@nu.edu. Thanks for listening.